Greetings there. Welcome to this channel. I am your host, and today we're diving deep into the political analysis that has sent shockwaves across the Ugandan digital landscape. The atmosphere in Kampala is heavy. Anyone walking the streets can feel the tension following the recent electoral cycle. While the surface appears calm, veteran politician and legal mind Dr. Otto is sounding a loud alarm. He is just talking about policy. He is talking about the very survival of our social life. In a recent high-stakes discussion, Dr. Otto introduced a chilling metaphor that every Ugandan needs to hear. He compares our current national stability to a bowl of porridge, deceptively cool on the top, but boiling enough to cause third-degree burns the moment you scoop beneath the surface. Is our peace a genuine achievement, or is it a sleeping volcano waiting for the right moment to erupt? Let's listen to Dr. Otto explain this porridge philosophy in his own words.
In Uganda, this is like porridge. You see the top is cold. You don't have to scoop it. You don't have to scoop it because it's going to burn you. The top corporation is absolutely misleading. My reading, you know, there's a big difference between political science and political philosophy. My reading of the situation now is that there is going to be order because the state has capacity to enforce law and order in every part of the country. That is what we call government penetration. There is adequate government penetration. It's not like countries like Central Africa.
Dr. Otto's assessment of government penetration is a double-edged sword. On one hand, he acknowledges the state's efficiency in reaching every village within 30 minutes. On the other hand, he questioned the visual reality of our capital city. When you see desert-grade military vehicles climbing pavements and soldiers in full headgear stationed at every roundabout, you have to ask, who is the enemy? We aren't at war with our neighbors in Rwanda, Kenya, or Burundi. So why is the military now the primary face of law and order? Otto warns that this level of deployment is not only psychologically taxing for a nation that relies on tourism, but it is also franchisically unsustainable. You cannot feed and station an army on the streets forever. Here is Dr. Otto on the militarization of our peace.
Africa or Congo, where government takes 2 weeks to reach a certain area in case law and order breaks down. In Uganda, the LC system has defied all odds. The government can reach any village in a maximum of 30 minutes. There is penetration, there is adequate. So the government of President Museveni will enforce law and order. But my worry is, it is not sustainable. It will work against tourism. I just passed town now. Yesterday I saw. There are desert vehicles, military vehicles, where the tires are almost up to my shoulders. In the city, climbing pavements, standing on top of roundabouts. The government is armed to teeth. And who is the enemy? That question has to be answered philosophically. Who is the enemy? We are not at war with Rwanda. We are not at war with Kenya. We are not at war with Burundi. We are not at war with any country. But you see now the military is involved in enforcement of law and order. For me, that worries me. You see heavy deployment of the police. Of course, we don't have to take chances. There are all sorts of characters. That worries me. It shows that something is usually unusual. And the only way to get this military, because you are not going to deploy these soldiers on a full-time basis. It's very expensive. You need to feed them. You need to have allowances. You cannot deploy them for 5 years. We are all...
Finally, we reach the most controversial segment of the night. Dr. Otto turns his sights toward the opposition, specifically the National Unity Platform and its leader, Robert Chagulanyi. In a move that has already sparked fierce debate online, Otto labels the refusal to engage in national dialogue as amateurish and irresponsible. He argues that politics is the heart of the possible, that half a law for power through negotiation is better than standing on the sidelines until 2031 while the ruling party consolidates its grip. It is a challenge to the radical of the opposition. Is it time to talk, or is it talking of betrayal the cause? Listen to the blunt message to the new leadership from Dr. Otto.
Never close the doors of talking. So I think it is amateurish. I think it is absolutely irresponsible for anyone to close the doors of talking. It is not political maturity. Talk. I don't know who the thinkers in NUP, I don't know who the thinkers are. But let me tell you, if you don't engage in a meaningful discussion, you are going to be in this situation up to 2031. And who will it serve? It will serve the interests of the ruling party. For me, I repeated earlier, and I saw on my page people attacking me. I would even be very positive to an idea of Bobby Wine saying he wants the negotiator and he becomes the prime minister or the vice president. He's a young man, he's about 40 years. Uganda is not going anywhere. In 15 years, he'll be at his peak. Half a loaf is better than nothing. Now, the challenge is they are the radical.
Powerful, polarizing, and deeply philosophical, Dr. Otto has laid out a map that many might find difficult to follow, but impossible to ignore. Is he right? Is Uganda a sleeping volcano that requires immediate dialogue to prevent an eruption? Or is his suggestion of half a loaf a sign of political fatigue? Here on our channel, we provide the platform, but we provide the perspective. We want to see your comments below. Is it time for a national dialogue? Don't forget to hit the like button, share this breakdown with your networks, and subscribe for the most in-depth news analysis in the region. For Ras here, I'm signing off. Stay informed and stay safe.